Hello everyone. In this video, I will be purchasing 170 UC just for 15 rupees. So let's see how we can purchase this. So you can see this option deals, sale deals. Click on this option. So here you can see the option growth pack. In this you have four different options. One is anniversary pack, mythic, upgradable and first purchase pack. You need to click on this option. So after clicking on this, it is showing you can get 170 UC for 75 rupees, but I will be purchasing for 15 rupees. So first, once you purchase this usage for 75 rupees, you will be getting 90 UC immediately. But if you want to get remaining UC, you need to log in for total of 30 days as it is showing here. And 2 days it will be like we will get partial UC. We won't get everything at once. Let's click on this 75. So it is showing I will get 90 UC guaranteed. So let's purchase this. So I have this offer in my Google Play account. So because of that reason, I will be having this price here 15 rupees. I checked in some other Google accounts, but I don't have this offer in other accounts. I only have this one of my email account. So this is the offer. It is available in my account. So valid for a 60 credit. Like the 60 rupees offer in my Google Play account, I also checked in some other accounts. I have 25 rupees Google Play discount. I will be sharing this screenshot as you can see it in the screen. So like this, you may have some other offers in some other Google accounts. Once you go through your Google accounts, Google Play Store accounts, you may find any other offers. And also you can use it not only BGMI, you can also use those offers in some other Google Play apps. And I will be clicking on this beam. Let's click on buy. It is asking for some verification. Okay. So it is navigating to my beam account app. I just entered my password and it is showing just to pay 15 rupees. I just entered my password. Now the payment is done. You can see that notification, the amount is deducted. And now let's open BGMI. It is showing payment successful. Yes, always. Okay. It is showing some other options. One tap to join. Okay. Okay. It is asking for some confirmations. Now you can see I got 90 UC and 100 AG. Now you can see I got 90 UC plus 100 AG. Previously I was having 590 UC, I guess. Now I have 681 UC. Like this I got 170 UC for just 15 rupees. And also I want to show you another thing. So let's click on these deals. Let's go back to growth. So now it is showing all these up to 30 days login. In this season I log in for total 30 days, I guess. Because of that, all these options it is showing for free. Let's click on this. Collect. Like this I am getting all this UC, total 170. Even if you log in for 30 days, you can get it back in just one go. You don't need to wait from when the date of purchase. You don't need to wait from date of purchase. I purchased all this UC. Now I have 761 UC in my account. See, it is showing 761. I also created 2 more videos related to BGMI. You can check out in my YouTube channel. One is related to how you can earn free UC by using bonus challenge voucher, and another video is about how to purchase RP just for 375 UC. Actually, if you want to purchase RP, you need to have 715 UC, I guess, but I purchased this Royal Pass just for 375 UC. See, I don't have 715 UC. Previously I was having 590 UC. But I just maxed out the Royal Pass and I got all my UC back. So you can see this video in my YouTube channel. I will be providing link for this 2 other videos in the end of this video. Yes, this is how I purchased 170 UC just for 15 rupees. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, if you like this video, please like and share to your friends. To get similar videos like this, and subscribe to my channel. And also I have Telegram channel with the name Tech XP Sky. Follow my channel as well. Yeah, thanks for watching.